नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है, वेलकम है फ्रेंड्स। बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा में स्टाफ का ट्रांसफर हुआ और उसके अगेंस्ट यूनियन ने राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट से स्टे ले आई। बिग विन फॉर बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा। स्टाफ कोर्ट ऑर्डर्स स्टे ऑन ट्रांसफर ऑफ ऑफिसर्स। Public sector bank must follow DFS guidelines on transfer of staff. Court order stay on the transfer of Bank Baroda officers. ऑल इंडिया बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा ऑफिसर्स यूनियन ने एक सर्कुलर रिलीज करके बताया, हिस्टोरिक इंटरिम रिलीफ secured by our union from Honorable Rajasthan High Court. No officer attached to be relieved on breach of DFS policy dated 26 November 24. Dear comrades, it is with immense pleasure, pride and a deep sense of responsibility that we bring to your notice a significant legal victory achieved by All India Bank of Baroda Officers Union today, the 16th May 25, before the Honorable Rajasthan High Court Jaipur bench in SB civil petition. Friends, the petition was filed by our union through Comrade Lokesh Mishra, our secretary and authorized signatory representative under authority given to him by our committee, who is also an advocate in Rajasthan High Court, Jaipur bench, challenging the arbitrary and the non-complement inter-zonal transfer policy dated 1st February 24 and later the revised policy dated 24th April 25, which was made operative from 20 March 25 by the Bank of Baroda. Key highlight of the Honorable High Court interim order. The court acknowledged our plea that both the interzonal transfer policies issued by the bank are contrary to the binding transfer policy dated 26 November 24 issued by DFS, Government of India, which is mandatory under Section 8 of the Banking Companies Acquisition and Transfer Undertaking Act 1970. It was specifically pointed out that the revised interzonal transfer policy fails to comply with DFS guidelines dated 26 November 24 and 8 August 2014, protection of women officers, and 3rd May 2012 timelines for the promotion transfer, was notified during the pendency of our writ petition with a clear attempt to overreach judicial proceedings. The Honorable Court recorded the bank's admission that it intends to relieve officers under the revised interzonal transfer policy on 17th May 25, while also noting the bank's position that this would be limited to willing officers. Most important, the Honorable High Court passed a restraining order. The respondent bank shall adhere to the reviewed transfer policy dated 26 November 24 issued by DFS, Government of India, and shall not relieve any of the officers attached with the petitioner union in breach thereof on the scheduled date 17th May 25 or any other date. However, if any officer is willing to be relieved, this stay order shall not affect such a request. यानी कि जो बैंक ने ऑर्डर किया है 17/5 तक रिलीव होने के लिए, वो इस यूनियंस के जो मेंबर हैं वो रिलीव नहीं हो। अगर कोई विलिंगली रिलीव होना चाहता है तो उसके लिए कोई मना ही नहीं है। A clarion call to the Barodin officer. Comrade, this order is not just a stay on date or one policy. It is a symbol of what can be achieved when officers stand together under a tested, democratic and fighting platform like All India Bank Baroda Officers Union. Today's success is not an end, but the beginning of a broader legal and organizational battle to ensure. यानी कि जो अभी ट्रांसफ़र अफेक्ट हैं उनको अभी रोक दिया गया है और नेक्स्ट डेट ऑफ हियरिंग के बाद ही ये डिसाइड होगा कि आगे क्या करना है। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।